How to make a video about wine, of course, in 10 minutes to sell your wine without any stress on the internet. Welcome in this video. It's Galate here, and I am happy to share with you my best tip. In a stagnant or even completely blocked commercial situation, the end of this year will not allow us to catch up on the turnover lag with all the conventional tools we know and that seem to be developed by the current wine show or conventional system. This is why I am making this video. Anyway, the wine show system seems stayed for a long time. We don't know when we will see ProWine again. And importers, wholesaler and wine merchant have stock and are going to be very solicited by promotion and make promotions themselves, which will lead to lower prices for many wines and difficulties in selling. The only practical and quick solution is to move the stock remotely, and to maintain prices is to set up automatic support system, remote wine sell video systems, for example. It is a sum up of my expertise and experience for the last 4 years now. I master this practice and the necessary software. So this is what we are putting in place right now in the Club 20, and which gives yet excellent results. So I respect the choice of those who prefer to stay in the old system and wait for things to settle by themselves. Many say, I will do it later, I am waiting the end of the crisis. You never know. For me, they are just unconsciously paralyzed by fears. So my recommendation since January, and even more in the recent week, you can see it here on this YouTube channel, Edevin School. My best advice really is to take action now and to act differently, to do well economically in the month and in the years to come. In the club, we say and we repeat, excuse or result, and then we all really show together result. Yes, we want result, no excuse, we want result. So you here watching this video, do you want excuse or do you want result? Because this is a good question of the day. Yes, if you need result, you are in the right video. In recent years, in recent months, in recent days, you observe that more and more wine growers communicate differently on the internet using video. And you don't ask yourself, perhaps, why not me? And there you are certainly slowed down in your passage to action by the diversity of possibility. Yes, but which video? And to save you time, I detail you here what does not work to sell wine in terms of video. So what does not work at all? At the beginning, it all started in wine with video made by specialized agency. Long ago, it was starting, and we were making very long video on the vineyard and on the whole process of walking from the vineyard to the cellar, sometimes even flying over the vineyard with a drone. You see the thing, several shots at different season, at different time, and at best it would take you 6 months to complete everything. And after having put in a lot of effort and equally large budget, your project was little like 4 seasons of Vivaldi and was quickly out of date because the bottle presented at the end, their label, were no longer relevant. You see the thing? That happened to you too? So this type of institutional video to sell wine, it works really badly. So right now you have a lot of video, another system, either the wine grower in his vine, and he's showing you his plot, his work of the day, explaining all the detail of his work to you in the vineyard. Or you have also the video from the influencer, the young and pretty American influencer that you sponsor to ever present the vintage with her, or she can also present your wine for you if you are shy. And how to tell you, it's a great effort, it's commendable, it's often well done, and yeah, it's the right formula for making a 5-minute video that sell your wine for you. Is very, very different from anything you know so far. So now I assure you there is much better to do. And to explain you what to do, I need to present myself. So my name is Galate. If you do not know me yet, I am a wine business futurist. I anticipate the future by studying data of the past and of the present of the wine markets. And if you don't know me, even better, perhaps you have seen, if you know me, that since 15 years now, you observe that I am always one step ahead, that I am ahead of my contemporary, in particular in the world of premium wine. Perhaps if you know me, you know that my father, Lionel Febvre, was a pioneer of organic wine since 1989, and I have been also a pioneer in the export of premium wine, especially in Asia, since 1998. And I was also a pioneer in marketing of wine, accompanying leaders like Gérard Bertrand or Hervé, or developing innovative wine for new wine customers. At the moment, I am developing 2 areas with a promising future. First, the ecological biodegradable mini box, when you want to sell large volume differently, ecologically, and in a value way. And second part of my work now for the future of premium wine is digital tool for talented wine grower who want to find and to convince importer without having to go on wine show like a Provine, for example, and to do that from their vineyard. And here I also develop in my elite club, in the Club 20, toolbox for visionary wine growers who want to sell their premium wine without any intermediary, live and worldwide. Anyway, you see, I need to taste. I am speaking too much. I have no shortage of idea. In France we have no oil, but we have idea, if you remember this joke. And my company since 2004 is named iDivin. So stay until the end. Here I have 3 big gifts for you. And when you are wine grower, you tell Galate, it's good idea, but now I want result. Yes, result, no excuse, only result. So to make your video in 5 minutes and sell in 5 minutes, you must have awakened the soul of your wine. This is the first step. You have to be simple and authentic. You should be able to do it with a flexible and light material. I put at the end of this video a link with all the detail about all the tool you need. So you have to love the result, to tell yourself why, not why, but wow, it's me who did that. I don't know that I could be so convincing in video. You need to be proud of the result. And the result, yes, must be, I think it's an English word too, wow. So to sell really your wine with video, you need to really be confident in your tool and to do it easily, because then the video is selling for you while you are in the vineyard or in the cellar. So it's really nice to see that the video does the sell for you. No more need to go through intermediary to spend hours convincing them to sell your wine, and which after all this intermediary transform and reduce your speech to only appellation, grapes and price. And you no longer need to do all this wine show. All this is the past now. And here you can see that our wine world is in a rapid transformation, and it's happening now. So it's interesting to decide you too to learn how to drive this new system. And at the beginning, when you are taking driving lessons, you say, how can I do all this together? And taking it step by step, taking a checklist, being with the good guide and the good guy or the good woman, it's very helpful. So the simple and effective video trick to sell your wine, there is two approach. It can take you 5 years or 5 minutes. So it's up to you to choose. You look for the right formula, and if you want to do it by yourself, it can be a very long way, a very long path. Like many wine growers who like to reinvent the highway code and the permit by themselves. And now, you know, in this time, in this period, we want and we need result quickly. We need sell quickly. So the best is to go directly to the result, to ask for help for someone yet doing that sincere. So if you want result, you go for the result. And if you are tired, struggling, choose please the shorter path. Taking lesson with me, you will be able to do that in 5 minutes. And you can sell your wine with this video next week, next month, and during the next year. We call it selling your wine in streaming. All the information are here on my next online conference that I am hosting to help talented wine growers to make their wine business grow each year, each month in the coming years, even with the current difficulties. And I show you how to sell direct and worldwide using all this internet tool. So the link to my next conference is here also in the description of this video. And you will see that you can sell without intermediary, without going to exhibition from your vineyard. And you can do that spending only 2 hours per week on that tool, because then everything is automating, as this is what I share in the Crop 20. So I need to have a little drink because I am speaking too much now. So please take information in this conference. It's a very unique B2B sharing. It's here and also in the description of this video. And now I have a little tasting and I continue after. I speak a lot, I have so many information to share, but I need to drink a little too. So in the Club 20, we put the link also here, Club 20, and in the description of this video. It's like a driving school. I show you how to awake your wine soul, how to sell without any intermediary worldwide, and how to open easily wine shop worldwide, delivering direct to customers from the production. And of course, all this is centralized by the use of video that you do in 5 minutes in the right way. When you master it, it's like driving. You do it naturally, and the result is guaranteed with satisfaction or money back. So, as a complimentary gift right now, we are offering to talented wine grower 100 copy of my third book, 20 tips to better sell your premium wine, and we put my book here. And also I offer the shipping cost, so you can ask for your book going to my website Ideva. On the homepage you put it on the English language, and we deliver even during the quarantine. Even when Amazon cannot deliver, we are delivering during this time, and of course after. So this is the perfect time to take the right information to build and to prepare the desirable future for your premium wine in a completely different and new business model. And my second gift, which comes really from the heart, if you are feeling in a very bad mood, so tired of the situation, so tired of this world that despair you, stop shutting up. Listen to the magic audio I prepare. It's called Force, and it's super powerful, it's super easy. You only need to listen to it during 3 weeks. And the magic of this audio is that, you know, in our world there is so many lies, and we finish to lie to ourselves, and to find back confidence into the soul of our wine, into our power to build really powerful business cell with video and other internet tool. We need to take back this confidence and this love for our wine and for our power. So usually this magic audio is 49 euro. Now we put for one symbolic euro to help the maximum of wine grower watching this video. So everything is here also in the description of this video. This is the best time to take opportunities to build the desirable future of your vineyards. That's what I wish for you. Cheers. Bye-bye to your desirable future. It's a fantastic Shiraz. So thank you to be here until the end. If I summarize the short path to the desirable future of your wine, of your vineyard, it's to take free information in the Club 20. You will even have the possibility to make an appointment directly to my agenda, because each situation is different, and it's important to discuss about your vineyard and business situation. So take the opportunity to collect my first book for free. Right now we have only 100 copies, it's going fast, and find also the winning mindset to help you to put the right action, listening to the magic audio I prepare for you. It's here also in the description. Thank you to follow me too on Instagram. We are sharing a lot about our wine, about our vineyard from all different countries. So the link to my Instagram is here, and all the link to Club 20 to take the information are below. Everything is guaranteed. I have a guarantee because all this is very new. So you need to have a guarantee when you discover that, because clarity comes to action. So you take action, and if you are satisfied, we continue. If you are not, I give your money back, because your results are my result, and I want you to have results. So thank you to support this YouTube channel, sharing this video to your wine grower friend. Like, share, comment. We are a small community. I can answer, and I am happy to answer. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. This is really the end now. Bye. Ciao.